For World Ocean Day, we spotlight Sandu'ao, a scenic harbor in Ningde, Fujian Province, known across China as the hometown of the large yellow croaker. This centuries-old floating village has long relied on the sea, but in recent years, it's embraced a more sustainable path forward.
Since 2018, Ningde has been focused on upgrading and renovating the facilities here, making sure that they are eco-friendly and sustainable. And as you can see here, many of the traditional ways of using fish floats and rafts have been completely replaced with environmentally friendly materials.
Sandu'ao's transformation is part of a broader effort to modernize China's coastal aquaculture while preserving traditional cultures. It offers a valuable example of how communities can evolve with the times and take action to protect our oceans.